other speaker for today is a missions major representative. He is Mark Anthony Victor. He came from Pagbilao, Quezon, the eldest of the 5 children of Mr. and Mrs. Lita and Abe Victor. Nandito po sila. Pwede pong tumayo yung mga parents. Salamat po. Currently, he is serving in Masantol Christian Church. I think nandito rin sila. Yung tiga Masantol. Pwede po bang tumayo at makilala? I am one of Mark's ISMP mentors. Kasama ko po si Mami Joy at si Venus Pino sa pag-mentor sa ating speaker. Let me introduce Mark as I came to know him. He entered as a BBC student through the encouragement of Mrs. Hasmin, formerly Eudora Presas, the wife of his pastor. He honestly declared that he was a 10-month-old Christian when he entered PBS. He has started with a very humbling and challenging beginnings. When asked about his academics, he honestly told me that he never really focused on his studies during his high school and elementary. So basically, dito lang siya natutong mag-aral talaga. Okay? So, nakita ko yun dahil for 2 consecutive semester now, naging this semester na siya. When I asked how he was going to support his studies in BBC, he told me that it's by faith, ma'am. Siguro, naturuan ni ma'am na sumagot ni Ma'am Hasmin. So, he enrolled 2 courses. One as BBC and the other is BFC. What is BFC? Basic Faith Stretching Course. So by faith, nag-aral siya. Mark unconsciously invited me to join his journey in PBS. Every semester, he visited me from my office from time to time. Hindi para lang magpa-counsel, kundi he used to update me what was going on in his life. I listened to his stories. May masaya, may malungkot, may nakakaiyak, pero may nakaka-bless din. I admire his honesty and courage when there were rough times in his life. Kasama ko siyang umiyak. He really passed the BFC course. By God's grace, I know malayo ang mararating dito sa gawain ng Panginoon. Because of his 3 qualities na na-observe ko consistently sa kanya. And ladies, watch out. Ito yung mga dapat natin hahanapin sa ating mga future life partner. First, this is a hard-working man. Naalala ko, BBC pa lang sabi niya, Ma'am, wala akong pagkain pero gusto ko magtrabaho. Pwede ba akong makikain sa inyo? Pero magtatrabaho ako. So, nagwali siya, naglilinis siya ng bahay para so hindi siya nahihiya, no? He really worked hard. Even sa CS niya, pag ina-update niya ako sa mga ministry, talagang nakikita ko rin yung kanyang pagiging hard worker. So, he is a needy man, pero marunong siya magtrabaho. He has a good EQ. Why? Although hindi maganda yung kanyang foundation, alam ko yun kasi ako nagpapa-entrance test, pero dahil sa laki ng EQ niya, he knows how to work hard. He knows how to express and manage his feelings. Naranasan niyo yun? He relates well with other people and has resiliency over life's hardship. Mamaya pakwento niyo sa inyo, drama ng buhay niya. He has a good, and lastly, he has a good eternity values. He knows his God and his calling, and he is joyfully following him. Siya na magkakwento sa inyo kung paano siya pinagpala ng Panginoon sa kanyang is Mark Hector. So, tawagin muna natin